Looking for a place that's more than just a home? Well, look no further. I'm Kim Jade with Compass, and this is the Reflections Community. As you walk in, you'll be greeted with vaulted ceilings, your own washer-dryer, and your own patio where you can enjoy your morning coffee. This top floor end unit has lake views and a lifestyle to match. You can't beat waking up to the sound of flowing water. But that's just the beginning. This community offers a pool, gym, clubhouse, and a gated entrance providing convenience, relaxation, and a place to entertain. Plus, you can't beat the location. You're just minutes away from the Bishop Ranch City Center and Iron Horse Trail, so you can live, eat, shop, work, and enjoy all in one place. Don't miss out on your opportunity to live your best life in San Ramon.